welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos on cleaning and organizing, all that good stuff. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It is great feedback for me. It lets me know that you like these kind of videos and to keep on making them. If these kind of videos are your thing, which they probably are because you're here watching them, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. That's enough talking from me. I hate big intros, so let's get straight into the video. Most tiered shelves are only like spice jar size, but I wanted ones that would be mason jar size to hopefully go up there, but I didn't measure it, and the two side by side is too wide to fit up there. The other things I picked up from IKEA were some tea light, candles, some of these risers. These are great. I use these throughout my house quite a lot. Some shelves for my boys' bedroom to put their vinyl pops on. Underneath there are some scub fold out storing things. I use these to store my off-season clothes. I also have Christmas decorations in them. They go in the top shelf of the wardrobes throughout the house. Got some paper napkins, a new school lunchbox for my youngest son because we always call him the Raccoon Bandit because he eats so much food and he leaves half of it strewn throughout the house. Some command hooks, one of these because in my last organizing project I used one from my beauty products to put this in, so I bought a replacement one. I bought a pair of scissors because the scissors that I have a rubber handle and the rubber is starting to deteriorate, so I replaced it. A water spray bottle because my youngest son always asks him to spray his hair down. He always uses it and leaves it in his bathroom, so I bought one for him to have in his bathroom for himself. And some big organizing containers, which I'll show you where I'm going to use these. I have the smaller size of these where I put them, if you've watched the last video, in my cupboards, in those really skinny cupboards for big bulky items. And then I grabbed these two baskets to store throw blankets in, so I'm going to put those in the lounge room and I will show you where I put them and what I do with them. A very successful haul from Kmart, IKEA, Target, Kmart, IKEA and Kmart. All right, let's put these into action. It just fits perfectly, like it was made for it, and it's going to be perfect to put things like lunch boxes, things like drink bottles for school, and just big bulky things that you want to sort of stash away but be able to access them quickly, and also because it's a low drawer, something that my kids can both access without having to climb on a step stool.
So does anyone else actually watch cleaning videos on YouTube as motivation while they're cleaning? I tried it today and I've got to tell you, it was actually more distracting than it was helpful. I like to sit down, chill out, have a cup of tea or a glass of wine when I watch my cleaning videos to get motivated. I don't know if it's actually helpful to watch it while you're actually trying to do something. Maybe if you're doing something like washing up dishes or something where you're just doing one thing and you're focused on it and it doesn't distract you if you're watching it. But you can see from this clip I'm constantly looking over watching the TV and it was super distracting. Do you watch cleaning motivation videos? If so, who do you like? I only have a couple of people that I watch and I'm keen to find some more people, and if you have any recommendations, leave them down in the comments for me below. So I only had a couple of key things that I wanted to get done today. I wanted to get the kitchen and the bathrooms cleaned, ready for the weekend. I just like to go into the weekend with a fresh, clean house. So I didn't have a ton of cleaning to do, but those things really make my house feel clean when the kitchen and bathrooms are clean. And then I just had some decluttering and organizing projects that I wanted to get done, I really wanted to declutter and organize all of my cleaning products. I am a sucker for cleaning products. It is one thing that I have way too much. So now that the kitchen is nice and clean, I am moving on to the bathrooms. So we have two bathrooms, main bathroom that my boys use and my ensuite in the bedroom. And my kids just cannot seem to get the idea of cleaning up after themselves. This is one thing that drives me absolutely crazy. And the bathroom, you guys, I'm not even joking. It is so flipping gross. Is this a boy thing? If you've got girls, are they so gross as well? Because this is just so disgusting. Like literally, in my bathroom, I could probably go 2 weeks without giving it a detailed clean. My kids could literally not go 2 days without having to have hazard team go in there and clean that bathroom. It is seriously disgusting. So moving on to my ensuite, now I'm just giving the toilet a quick clean. These cloths I only use for the toilet and I always wash them separately. If there is anything that is really gross, I just use toilet paper or disposable wipes and throw them away because I do not want anything that is touching the toilet, touching any other of my cleaning cloths or anything like that. Now, whenever I get into the shower and clean it, I am always like distracted by the glass. I was only going to be doing a quick once over in my bathroom, but when you get in and you see the stains on the glass, like I just cannot stop until that thing is clean. That glass in my bathroom is the bane of my existence. It is constantly streaked. It is so hard to keep clean, but I do prefer it to a shower curtain. Now you guys, I was not messing around when I said that this bathroom needed a specialist cleaning squad to clean it. It was so bad. I thought that the basin with the toothpaste smears was terrible. My God, when I opened that toilet, I nearly died. I wanted to take a video of it just to show them and say, what the heck are you making your mum do? You guys need to take responsibility for cleaning your own toilet. I'm going to be putting in a daily inspection of my boys' toilet. If you feel me, please let me know in the comments below if your kids just cannot keep their bathroom clean. It drives me crazy.
My love, I lose my head because of you. But I don't mind it. You're my reputation, I'm not gonna hide this. You're my reputation, I'm not gonna hide. You go free.
Alright, so thank goodness that cleaning is finished. Now I am just giving the floor a quick vacuum and going over with the steam mop. I am bringing in the big guns. So I'm using some eucalyptus cleaner around the toilet and then just some regular method squirt mop all for the rest of the floor. And I like to start with the cleanest area first to mop and then go through to the grossest and dirtiest area. That's just so that you're not cross-contaminating and spreading germs from one place to the other. And I use one floor mop per bathroom.
You're so wild.
So now for the rest of the house, I'm just doing a quick spot clean. Anything that I see that I need to just tidy up, freshen up, clean, like the glass table, it always gets dusty or fingerprints on it. So I just give it a quick wipe down and then we're good for the weekend. And you guys, oh my God, I am so excited for this weekend because Game of Thrones, its full season is finally out on iTunes. I'm going to be binge watching that all afternoon, all night, and probably tomorrow morning. I am so excited for it. If you love Game of Thrones, please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have watched season 8 already. What did you think of it? Don't spoil, no spoilers. I don't want any spoilers. No one leave any spoilers in my comments because I'll be checking them while I'm watching. But I am so excited to watch it in one hit. I love doing that. I can't stand to watch like one episode per week. I don't know how people on Foxtel or cable do it. I like to wait until it's all out on iTunes and binge watch all in one hit. My kids are at their dad this weekend, so it is a perfect opportunity for me. I'm going to have a nice clean house. I'm going to have a glass of wine or two, and I'm going to watch that season. So back to the cleaning video, and these canisters I picked up, I think it was 1 or 2 videos ago. I showed them in a haul I did from Kmart that was super inexpensive, and they are so cute. And I think that when you're cleaning things look cute, you feel better about using them and you feel better when you go to clean. Now this was the organising project that I wanted to tackle. This cleaning caddy is convenient, but I don't have anywhere in my tiny apartment that can hold it. So I wanted to go through all of my cleaning products and sort them out into something that would be functional and usable, and of course it had to look good, because I like things to look good, and then when they look good I'm more likely to use them, and I'm more likely to feel good when I use them. And who wants to feel bad when they're clean? Not me. I want to feel inspired, I want to feel motivated. So not only do I want them to work, but I also want them to look good.
My love, I lose my head because of you. But I don't mind it.
Okay guys, so this is what I came up with for my everyday cleaning products. I wanted something that would be easy to grab and that contained everything that I needed to clean the whole house. In the other cleaning caddy, which I already had, I've just kept my backups and my less used items. And then my rarely used or specialty cleaners I've stored in the laundry sink cupboard. And then this is how my cute little canisters look in my little laundry closet. I really love how this turned out. It's probably my favorite of all the things that I've organized today. It's so super convenient and handy having them up there with all of my essentials, dryer sheets, a little lint jar where I put my lint from the dryer, pegs, some stain spray, and some eucalyptus sensitive wash. And I'm really digging this basket for hiding all of the throw blankets. Now I don't have to fold them up every day. We just throw them in the basket and just tuck them away, and they're out of sight. They look nice and neat and tidy. But now I think I'm gonna have to replace those white plastic baskets to match those wicker baskets. What do you guys think? Am I too crazy? Does everything have to match? I'm gonna buy them anyway, so you may as well just say yes. I still have to put up this little ledge for my kids' room, but they are super happy. And I am super happy that the house is nice and clean in time for the weekend, so that I can enjoy my free time and just relax, not have to stress about the mess, not have to think about cleaning. When do you like to clean your house? Do you like to have it clean ready for the week for Monday, or do you like to have it clean ready to enjoy for the weekend? Obviously for me, I like to have it all fresh and clean for the weekend so I can enjoy my nice clean house. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. I hope you found it motivating and inspiring. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Now I'm off to watch Game of Thrones.